Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to answer a question that was left me by one of my viewers asking about one of the features in the Fuji X-T4. Now we went over yesterday a little bit about how to do all of the settings and program all the buttons on your X-T4, but there's actually a couple of features that you have to actually go into the menus to set up in order to have it on your display. And what the question they were asking about was the horizontal line. So there's actually a setting that you can set up that on the back of your screen, or looking through the viewfinder, you will see a horizon line. And when your camera is level, when you're tilting your camera and it is level with the horizon, it will show up as a green line in your display or in the viewfinder. So I'll show you how to turn that feature on. And there's actually a secret level on available as well, but it's only viewable with the setup of a custom button. So it actually comes up by default as one of the screen swipe functions. So I'll show you that and how to access the second horizontal level line as well. Okay, in order to access the horizontal line setting on your Fuji X-T4 camera, you'll see it when you turn it on. I've got it already set up to show, and you'll see here right across the line here is white. Now as you adjust your camera, what it will actually do, it will turn green when you are level, perfectly level. It takes a second, there we go. So you'll see now the line is green. Now by default, this is not on your camera. So to access this, you have to go into the menu settings. So hit the menu, and then you'll want to go down to the wrench, and oops, and it's a screen setup, and scroll down. And it's up there, display custom settings. And in this, you'll have an access here, you'll check off electronic level. So if we take this off, we'll go back, got to go back a few menus, and now you can see the line is actually gone. So we'll put this back on so you can see it there. So we go down to the wrench icon, screen setup, scroll down to the third screen, display custom settings, and hit that electronic level. When we go back now, the electronic level will be back. So that's going to show on the back screen and also on through the viewfinder. Makes it handy if you're taking photos of landscapes, for example, and you want to have your horizon straight. Another option, and this is kind of a bit of a hidden feature, it's only accessible by turning it on through a custom button, and by default it actually comes as one of the swipe functions. So if you have it set up and you go swipe down, it takes a second. Sometimes you have to have the turn off the autofocus, and we swipe down, and there we've got a 3D kind of horizontal level. So when you move that around, it will actually goes and it does you can see the line, it gives you right vertical, it'll go fully green, like so. So just another feature. To get that on and off, it's set up as the custom function, turns off when we swipe in the middle of the screen. Now if you want to learn how to set up your custom function buttons, I will have that link to above in the video above. You can check out how to access and assign that function to any one of your other custom functions on the Fuji X-T4. Okay, hopefully you found that tutorial useful. How to set up the horizontal levels in the Fuji X-T4. If you did have any questions about the Fuji X-T4, I'm new to the system, but I'm trying to learn as much as I can and sharing it with everybody that's watching. So if you want to learn more, by all means, please subscribe to the channel, but also hit up the thumbs up button. Lets me know you liked the video. If you have a question or comment, leave it down below. I'm happy to answer any of your questions in an upcoming video, and we'll learn the system together. Until my next video, you can check out my last video right after this. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you in the next one.